Thermal preconditioning allows you to program the temperature inside your car to a comfortable and non-modifiable level of 21 degrees on the days and at the times required. This function is available whether the car is charging or not. In the latter case, the battery must be charged over 20%. We advise you to use this function when the car is charging to maximize 100% electric autonomy. The function is only activated when your vehicle's ignition is switched off. To activate programming, go to the Air Conditioning menu, then Options. Select Air Condition Program and press More to add a program. Choose the time you will get into your car as well as the required days. Then validate your selection by pressing OK. Then press On to activate the program. Thermal preconditioning starts around 45 minutes before the set time when the vehicle is plugged in and 20 minutes before when it is not plugged in. It remains active for 10 minutes afterwards. The pilot light is fixed when thermal preconditioning is programmed. The pilot light is blinking when thermal preconditioning is functioning. For greater comfort and in order to constantly respond to your needs, you can also program the function remotely via the My Citroën application.